So one of the most popular topics on my channel and on my blog is contact paper. I added contact paper to my kids' bathroom countertops in our rental, and I get a lot of questions about it. What happens when you take it off? Is the countertop sticky? Is there mold underneath? I am answering all your questions and showing you exactly what happens when I take the contact paper off of the countertop right in front of you. So the video was recorded live, so bear with me on the quality, but you will get all your questions answered. So let's go take the contact paper off of the countertop. Today we are taking off the contact paper that I put down in the bathroom to give my rental bathroom a little makeover and give it some fall marble countertops. So I am actually going to be taking it off now. I have no idea what's underneath them. I haven't even started taking them out, and let's do that together. I'm trying to decide, where do we start? I kind of started pulling this out a little bit before I realized, it's probably a good thing to do it live and we can figure out what's going on. So we can start right here, right there. It's coming off real easy. And let's see, there you go. Let's do underneath this counter here. See how easy it is. It's coming right off. And these are strips I cut and put on the sides here. And because the contact paper didn't go all the way through, but there you go. So there you go. I mean, there's some little yellow stuff underneath there, but it's not, it's not like moldy or anything. It's pretty decent. I mean, it's just a little yellow from the deposit of the water. Let's do this. There you go. It's a bit hard to take it off, but it's not that bad. It's not as hard as putting it down without, making sure there's no bubbles. But there you go. There. It's kind of stuck over here. There you go. There's a big chunk off, and I really wanted to know, around the sink especially, what it looks like, because of all the water. And it's not that bad, there's not mold, there's a little bit of yellow deposits, but there's no green stuff or black stuff. And I'm trying to get to this so I can take off the big chunk right here so you can see around the sink. There we go. Just pulling it all off. There you go. See, it's all off, and you can look around the sink. It's pretty clear right there. See, it's pretty clean. It's no mold and anything there. It's as clean as it was when I put it on. Now, this is what the counters look like before I put them down. Put down this contact paper, and old yellow, worn out, but it looked really awesome, and it has held up really well for almost 11 months now, and it looked really good, like like real marble. So I'm going to keep taking off the contact paper. That's what I'm going to be doing, and it's pretty quick. I'm almost like halfway done already, so that wasn't too bad. And yeah, especially around the sink, it worked pretty great. There's no mold or anything, and really I had no idea what I was going to find, so we were both going to find it together. So would I add contact paper to bathroom countertops again? I totally would. It held up great for almost a year when I had to take it off because we were moving out. Contact paper is a great budget-friendly way to easily update old dated countertops, or if you're living in a rental where you can't change it out. I have a bunch of posts about contact paper ideas, including everything you need to know about contact paper on countertops. So be sure to check it out. It includes video tutorials too. Now be sure to hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and share it with your friends who you know could totally use some contact paper on their countertops. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below and don't forget to hit subscribe.